Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2019 Keystone Bullet ultra lightweight travel trailer made right here in Oregon. These are aluminum frame construction with laminated sidewalls of fiberglass and a new, for this year, a fiberglass front cap. Before it was just bent Phylon, much more durable. This could take a beating, you know, any kind of debris that might be blowing down the roads hits this, it's not going to do the damage it would to just the Phylon walls. A couple of things about these: they come with power hitch jack, LED light rope built right in, solar resistant graphic, 3-year warranty. Inside you can see the aluminum frame construction, real good example of that here. Also plug and play for solar. You can just plug a solar panel in, point it at the sun, and you're pretty much off grid. Power awning with an LED light rope behind it and outside speakers to enjoy your tunes out in the shade. There's the model 308BHSWE for Western Edition. Alloy wheels with spread axles. These things tow awesome. Ray transports these, and better fuel economy and just less drag because they're more coefficient, you know, for aerodynamics. Outside cooking station. Why keep your ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise inside when you're going to be using it out here? Little refrigerator out here, more space for whatever, paper plates, that kind of thing. There's a rack on the back for outside barbecue. Spare tire, rear bumper. Of course, here's our slide out scene from the back side. Make that too. This is a giant trailer, and you don't have the weight associated with the big trailer. We've got the outside shower here. There's our power hookup, but the bunk room has a slide. The main living room has a slide. Let's go see how that's going to work out for the end users. Usually the kids want their own little space. This allows you to do that while maintaining a separate space for the adults. Let's take a look and I'll show you what we're talking about here. The common area here. Nice big windows, big slide out. Not going to be stepping on each other's toes. Notice how bright it is in here too. Not all dark where you need a miner's helmet to come in here and see anything. Bedroom here. I have the lights turned off here. It's a little darker, but queen size walk around bed, can approach from both sides. Plus we have overhead cabinetry and side cabinets. A spot for a TV over in the wall there. Here's our lights here. Also reading lights built right in if you want to read a book at night. And partition doors, so you can make this bedroom private. There's a lot of storage. For a lightweight, you don't find that too often. And by lightweight, I mean it's designed to be lighter in weight and tow more efficiently, better fuel efficiency, lighter duty tow vehicles. We got a flat screen TV here with a Furrion receiver. The farmer sink, that's the single basin stainless steel sink with a flex hose. Glass top, 3-burner stove, backsplash built in, oven underneath, microwave over the top, more storage, Dometic refrigerator freezer combo. If you're going to bring the whole tribe, you're going to need to feed them. Look at all that extra room. That can be a closet too. Now we have a sofa bed here for the couch, and the dinette does make into a bed as well. Not only that, there's storage underneath. So you got room for 2 up front, 1, 2, maybe more, 4 back here, 5, 6, 7. This folds up. The sofa bed, 8. So you got a lot of sleeping. This is the kids' room. I'm going to call it the kids' room. It could be the crew's room or whatever, but spot for their own TV. Each bunk has its own window here you can see, as well as light. And then storage. There's also, if they need more, wardrobe storage. There's a clothes hanger in here, as well as drawers for pantry storage. Bathroom has its own bathroom door. How convenient is that when people coming in and out to use the bathroom? Now you don't have to tromp through the trailer and wake everyone up. Sink, medicine cabinet, shower stall with power exhaust vent over the top. It's lightweight, it's bright, it's just, what can I say? Keystone hit it out of the park on this one. 2019 308 bunk house from Keystone. It's right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay. 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.